introduce Mr. Anil Gupta, who's our guest today. Anil Gupta is a third generation entrepreneur. Anil started his company Rigo in 2012, which is into manufacturing of water filtration equipments. And Rigo is one of the successful brands in the laboratory and industrial markets in the country. Anil has established uh, his company and is a world-known brand at the moment. Anil is the only Indian to address in the most prestigious water conference in Florida, USA, in the year 2018. He has addressed many colleges and institutions about entrepreneurships and continues to take it up as a hobby as he believes in motivating youngsters for a better tomorrow as they are the future pillars of our nation. He has delivered about future technology NIRVA Global Convention at USA as well in 2019. This young man has been awarded CNBC Young Entrepreneur of the Year 2016 and is an inspiration to many youngsters across the country. This man has also been facilitated around the globe by various institutions and organizations. He is a young, aspiring politician as well, and surely India's hope for tomorrow. Currently, he serves as the advisor for Udak Foundation, an NGO working tirelessly for fighting the scarcity of pure drinking water across the country. He's also founder of V Vaishya organization, which is a business networking group for our community people across our nation, helping people develop their businesses and be successful. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear from Mr. Anil Gupta.
Good evening, everyone. Am I audible, Karthik?
Yeah,
good evening, sir. Good evening.
Good evening.
Yeah. So first of all, thank you, Karthik, for inviting me, and my pranams to my guru, Mera Mohan sir, who is also part of today's event. So I think it's very nice to see 500 plus participants. I think from across Tamil Nadu, and I could see few messages from Singapore and everywhere. Nice to notice mixed kind of crowd. Young people are there, and everyone are there. So thank you once again, Karthik. And connecting the dots, it's a fantastic topic, and whatever the session you choose.
Sir, your voice is a little bit breaking, sir. Could you switch off the video?
Is it fine now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So connecting the dots is very nice topics what you guys have chosen, and nice to see speakers list as well. See, my personal experience, what I would like to tell the people is for the entrepreneurs. I just wanted to tell two words to get success in your business. Please follow two things: innovation and upgrade. If there is no innovation in whatever the kind of products or services you are dealing, so it's very tough at any market situation, no matter with the corona, before corona or after corona also. So upgrade is a must. You need to keep on introducing and upgrading your products and services. That's what I can say for business owners. And I could see few students as well. Students, please, keep your goal properly. Decide yourself today itself what you wanted to do, and do not deviate at all. Whatever you wanted to, achieve in your life, take a book, take a paper, take a pen. I surely believe if you write anything, it will happen. And decide yourself, and please go ahead without any deviation. So, be yours. Tell you. And about goal, I think if I wanted to share about my personal experience, as an entrepreneur from a family of groundnut business. So after my education, my dad said, please
Sir,
do
your voice is not clear,
groundnut
sir.
business and try to improve.
Anil, sir, your voice is breaking.
Is it clear now?
Because it's breaking.
Karthik?
Yeah, it's very audible, sir, now.
Yes. So that's what I would like to say. Please, fix up a goal. And I was telling about, my personal experience. So when my dad said, Anil, come and join our existing business, whatever we are doing, and try to improve it. But I had decided that, I wanted to give a new brand to the market. I wanted to see myself as a global figure. So in 2012, I started by with a small, very tiny investment, which was my savings. From there, first 2 to 3 years, we could see a lot of hurdle, lot of challenges were there. But again, my goal was proper, and I made sure that in a span of 4 5 years, we could take to certain big level. Now, like in India, you go to any IIT, IIM, CIPLA, and actually without my product, people cannot do the R&D on the water. So that is what the achievement, what we have done as a Rigo brand. And opportunities are huge. I mean, it's all up to you. Even Corona is an opportunity for a lot of innovative thinkings. So let's assume if you are into event business or something, try to do e-events kind of stuff. Technology is something which will play a crucial role post Corona. So please concentrate on technology. And I could see a lot of students here. So please, try to focus on artificial intelligence and machine learning, which will be the most, important stuff in the coming future. So, and data analytics. There are a lot of courses are available. So best stuff is you use Google and try to keep on learning. Learning is a never-ending story till we take our last breath. We need to keep on learning. So that's what I would like to tell. That's it. Be clear with your goal and keep achieving. All the best to all of you people. Thank you, Karthik.
Thank you, Anand sir. Thank you very much.